Oh, okay.
All right.
Enjoy that drop of 255 feet and 85 miles per hour.
Yeah, we're on Titan.
This is a good idea.
With Coach.
Coach your kids.
Yeah. Be brave and ride on, people. We're on Titan. I swear its lift hill is louder than
Steel Bitches.
or Superman's.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh, this will be fun. Hey, by the way, we were also texting DP comments in line for this. It was so much fun. Our third grade out on Titan. Like we rode it two times in the morning and we grayed out like 2 times. I can still see a bunch of like black.
I can't see him anymore. I grayed at the very end of the helix.
Dude, go way! Alright, we're going to the helix. Come on, put the camera on.
That was like.
That was awesome.
I think I might have grayed out twice. I was so close to graying on the second helix. I almost grayed out twice.
I was fine. Actually, I was fine.
The first helix I did gray out though. Just barely at the very end I grayed out.
Yeah. It's always cool seeing an RMC in the rain.
It's not. That's not raining. That's just.
Oh, it's just the sprinkler.
That's a sprinkler. There is a little bit of drizzle, but.
All right. Yep. So we're part of Worldwide Koaster Kids Day, and Koaster Kids is an awesome channel.
Yeah.
Definitely check it out. I'll leave the link in the comments below because I'll be like uploading this straight from my phone. So.
Can you do descriptions on phones?
What?
Can you do descriptions on phones?
Yeah. You can upload videos on phones.
No, descriptions.
Descriptions.
Why can't you?
Yeah, you can.
Then why don't you leave the link in the description?
Because I have to because then it'll not. Oh wait, I have an idea. I'm just gonna go to Coach Kids, share the link, and then.
Yeah, I've never uploaded a YouTube video. Jay and I share his, and he's always uploading and editing and stuff. I'm just part of the videos.
Oh, they're taking so long with the dispatches. Oh my. They're taking so long.
Also, check out the thrill list. That's
yeah, check out the thrill list. We rode Superman and Sky Screamer. Those were my 2 Be Brave challenges today.
Yeah,
so that's pretty good.
Well, I rode both, but only the Superman was my Be Brave challenge.
Yeah.
I hope they can hear me through there.
No, they can't. I've tested this before. Have you seen my other Titan POV? I went with my cousin Ethan.
What's your channel?
JT Coasters. My coaster channel. Okay. I have a regular channel where I just post random memes and vlogs and stuff. It's honestly kind of pointless. So we're back to yes! I love Mr. Free! Alright, that's gonna wrap it up. Backseat, back POV. It was super awesome. Don't have my pass.
Welcome aboard, your rider.
Oh wait, I have my pass. Alright, that's good. Alright, see you guys.